I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Binance Coin. First, you'll need to understand what BNB is and its various uses within the Binance ecosystem, including reduced trading fees. Next, select a reliable cryptocurrency exchange that supports BNB, such as Binance itself or another major platform. Finally, complete the required identity verification, often called KYC, by providing documents like a government-issued ID and proof of address. This ensures a secure and compliant trading environment for everyone. Once your account is verified, the next step is to fund it. You can typically deposit money using various methods, including a bank transfer, a debit card, or even a credit card. Some platforms also allow you to deposit stablecoins like USD or BUSD, which can offer faster transaction times. Always check the exchange's specific deposit options and be mindful of any associated fees or minimum deposit requirements before proceeding with your transaction. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy BNB. Head to the trading section of your exchange and search for the BNB trading pair you prefer, such as BNB versus USD or BNB versus Bitcoin. You can then place a market order to buy immediately at the current price, or a limit order to buy when BNB reaches a specific price point. Enter the amount you want to purchase and confirm your order to complete the transaction. After buying your Binance Coin, it's crucial to secure it. Consider transferring your BNB from the exchange to a personal hardware or software wallet for enhanced security. You might also explore opportunities to stake your BNB or participate in yield farming to earn passive income. Remember to always do your own research before engaging in any investment. Also, for more great financial insights and other deals, make sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.